So hey guys, welcome to another episode with Style the Hair with Itsevieee. So today we're gonna be doing some sleek lower bun ponytail. How should you guys call this stuff? I don't know. So I'm gonna be applying some water to my hair to make sure all products I use sit in perfectly. So today I'm gonna be using some hair gel, black hair gel, some hair wax, some combs, some brushes, styling brushes for this hairdo. So currently I'm applying some black hair gel to the hair, to the wet hair, and I keep applying that to ensure that everything sits in perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna be working on my edges to make sure that part's sleek too. And now I'm combing, girl got a comb, girl got to comb. I'm gonna be combing that hair. And now it's time for me to hold it down, so I can see the parts that are not well laid. That's where the bun is gonna sit. That's where the bun is gonna sit. So I'm holding the hair down, okay? Okay, so at this point I'm gonna be laying down my front edges with some hair wax. The front's got to be sleek, and I have some real stubborn hair there, and the only thing that could hold it down would be the hair wax. So I'm gonna be brushing at this point, brush for the sleek the hair down. And we got to do some baby hair. Got to do some baby hair. Okay, and now it's time to lay the hair down. We're gonna be tying some scarf, and to keep all that going on in there. Okay, so got to tie some hair scarf, and it's time to apply the bun. Okay, so I'm gonna fix that or attach that to the back of my hair. And I'm gonna be attaching it tight, okay, because it ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna fix it in right there and pull that hair, baby, pull it. Okay, so gotta make sure the extra rope heights, got some perfect finish. Okay, so at this point it's time to unravel, and voila, there you have it. Some sleek hairdo. Okay guys, can your hair ever? So it's right about time to use some blow dryer, and I'm gonna dry the leftover hair products to make sure everything is dry and in place. Okay, so we're gonna dry, make use of the blow dryer, and there you have it, guys. Okay, so here's a final look. I hope you like it.